I say it constantly. A car dealership is not looking out for you. They are not your friends. And here is today's proof. We helped our client with a 2024 Highlander Limited with 28,000 miles. When we brought up a warranty, they weren't interested. So we left it at that and moved on. Then they went up to pick up their car and they bought a warranty, and that's totally fine. We support warranties at the right price, the right time, and the right miles. So I asked to see it to just make sure they got a good plan and what they thought they had, they really had. Well, it's a good thing I did. The client said 6 years and 100,000 miles. That's what they thought. That's what they were told. That's what they said to me. They thought they were covered well into the 2030s. And then I read it, and here's what the dealer likely never said out loud. That 6 year clock didn't start the day my client bought their car. It started the day the car was first sold, back in 2024. It is a Toyota that already came with a 3 year warranty from the factory. So a 6 year warranty measured from 2024 gave my client about half the extended coverage that they thought they were paying for. The client assumed 6 years from 2026. Well, that was not correct. It was 6 years from 2024, and nobody corrected them. And likely in a year or two, if they did discover it, who is going to remember exactly what happened? So, why don't all dealers go as long as possible on their extended warranties? Money, it's always money. And more money means you might say no to that warranty. And all warranties typically have the same markup. So they sell you the one that sounds like it will be good enough to keep that markup, and they quietly hand you less. Or they might try to pack in another product with that same extra money a longer warranty would have cost you. But since finance managers get paid on the amount of products they sell, as well as how much they make, it may make more sense for them to get you to purchase a second or third product. So, what did I do? I texted the dealer to make it right. And then I texted again and again, 11 times total, until I finally got it resolved. 2 more years of coverage at no extra charge to my client, all because they had me. And this only happened because someone actually read the contract. A dealer will almost never tell you your term or miles could have been longer, or that the clock started 2 years before you ever showed up to buy this car. So, before you sign anything, new, pre owned, purchasing, leasing, anywhere in the country, get someone in your corner who reads the fine print. That's us. That's yourcarhaggler.com.